Hello दोस्तों, जय हिंद. Here some questions which are very important for NEET examination 2026. So let's see. First question is, which of the following option correctly represents the lung condition in asthma and emphysema respectively? Answer will be the inflammation of bronchioles and decreased respiratory surface. Okay. Uh, Emphysema is due to the smoking. Mainly, it occurs due to the cigarette. Okay, already this question has been asked so many times. Means asthma is difficulty in breathing causing wheezing due to inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. Emphysema is chronic disorder is which alveolar wall are damaged due to which respiratory surface is decreased. Okay. Next question. Match the column 1 with column 2. Here all are correct, means tricuspid valve related to between right atrium and right ventricle, and bicuspid valve between left atrium and left ventricle, a semilunar valve between right ventricle and pulmonary artery. Okay. Next question is, here match the column 1 with 2. Here all are correct. मतलब tidal volume 500 to 550 ml, inspiratory reserve volume 2500 to 300 ml, and expiratory reserve volume 1000 to 1100 ml, and residual volume 500 to 550 ml. Means the tidal volume is volume of air inspired or expired during normal respiration. It is approximately 500 ml. Inspiratory reserve volume is additional volume of air a person can inspire by forceful inspiration. यानी कि हम जोर से सांस खींचते हैं, उसको इंस्पायरेटरी रिजर्व बोलते हैं. इट इज अराउंड 2500 to 300 ml. Same way, expiratory reserve volume is additional volume of air a person can be expired by forcefully. हम जब जोर से सांसों को बाहर निकालते हैं उसी को एक्सपायरेटरी रिजर्व वॉल्यूम बोलते हैं. दिस इज 1000 to 1100 ml, and residual volume is volume of air remaining in lungs even after forcefully respiration. यानी कि जोर से सांसों को बाहर फेंकने के बाद जो बच जाता है उसी को रेसिड्यूअल वॉल्यूम बोलते हैं. इसका लगभग 1100 ml to 1200 ml होता है. ओके. The transparent lens in human eye is held in its place by ligaments attached to the ciliary body. Okay, means lens in human eyes is held in its place by suspensory ligament attached to the ciliary body. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is an amino acid derivative hormone? Answer will be the epinephrine. Epinephrine is derived from the tyrosine amino acid by the removal of carboxyl group. It is a catecholamine. Okay. Next question is, which of the following hormone can play a significant role in osteoporosis? Answer will be the estrogen and parathyroid hormone. Means estrogen promotes the activity of osteoblasts and inhibits the osteoclast. In an aging female, osteoporosis occurs due to the deficiency of estrogen. Parathyroid promotes mobilization of calcium from the bone into blood. Excessive activity of parathormone cause demineralization leading to osteoporosis. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is incorrect? Here all are correct. Let's see. Hypothalamus related to production of releasing hormone and regulation of temperature, hunger and thirst. Second, medulla oblongata controls respiration and cardiovascular reflexes. Third, corpus callosum. It is a band of fibers connecting left and right cerebral hemisphere. Fourth is limbic system. Limbic system is a emotional brain and it control all the emotions. Okay. Next question is, the amnion of mammalian embryo derived from, answer will be the ectoderm and mesoderm. Means the extra embryonic or fetal members are amnion, chorion, antois and yolk cell. Means amnion is formed from mesoderm and outer side and ectoderm on inner side. Chorion is formed from trophoectoderm and mesoderm, whereas allantois and yolk sac membrane has mesoderm on outer side and endoderm in inner side. Okay. Next question is, hormones secreted by placenta to maintain pregnancies are, first option is correct, HCG and HPL, progesterones and estrogens. Means placenta releases human chorionic gonadotrophic hormone, means HCG, which stimulate the corpus luteum during pregnancy to release estrogen and progesterone and also rescue corpus luteum from regression. Human placental lactogen is involved in growth of body of mother and breast. Progesterone maintains pregnancy, keep the uterus silent by increasing uterine threshold to contractile stimuli. Okay. Next question is, the difference between spermiogenesis and spermiation. Here only answer is written. In spermiogenesis, spermatozoa are formed. Means sperms are formed in spermiogenesis, while in spermiation, spermatozoa is released from Sertoli cells into the cavity of seminiferous tubules. Okay. Next question is, the contraceptive Saheli is used for to block estrogen receptors in uterus and preventing egg from getting implanted. Means ये एग इम्प्लांटेशन को यूटेरस में रोकता है. मीन्स सहेली इज द फर्स्ट नॉन एस्ट्रॉयडल वंस ए वीक पिल्स, मतलब सप्ताह में एक दिन खाने वाली गोली है. इट कंटेंस सेंट क्रोमैन and its functioning is based upon selective estrogen receptor modulation. Okay. Next question is, ciliate differ from all other protozoan in having two types of nuclei. Ciliates differ from other protozoan in having two types of nuclei, that is paramecium have two types of nuclei, macronucleus and micronucleus. Okay. Here identify the vertebrate group of animal characterized by crop and gizzard in its digestive system. मीन्स क्रॉप एंड गिजार्ड किस में होता है? ये तो केवल बर्ड में ही होता है, और यहाँ पे एविस आंसर है फर्स्ट, यानी कि ये बर्ड से रिलेटेड है। द डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट ऑफ एविस हैज एडिशनल चैम्बर इन द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम एज क्रॉप एंड गिजार्ड। क्रॉप इज कंसर्न विथ स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड ग्रेन, मीन्स क्रॉप में फूड ग्रेन स्टोर होता है, एंड गिजार्ड इज द मैस्टिकेटरी ऑर्गन, यानी कि ग्राइंडिंग मशीन इन बर्ड यूज टू क्रश फूड ग्रेन्स। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following features is used to identify a male cockroach from a female cockroach? Answer will be the presence of caudal style. Okay, male bear a pair of short thread like anal style which are absent in females. Anal caudal styles are arise from ninth abdominal segment in the male cockroach. Next question is which of these animal is not a homeotherm? मीन्स इनमें से होम्योथर्म कौन नहीं है? आंसर विल बी द चेलोन। तो होम्योथर्म्स आर एनिमल दैट मेंटेन कांस्टेंट बॉडी टेम्परेचर इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ सराउंडिंग टेम्परेचर। जैसे हम लोग हैं, मैमल्स एंड बर्ड्स आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ होम्योथर्म्स। हम लोग अपना बॉडी टेम्परेचर को कांस्टेंट रखते हैं। Birds and animals are homeotherms. Chelone is a turtle belong to the class Reptilia. That's why it is a poikilotherm or cold-blooded. All other are mammals. Okay. Next question is which of the following animal does not undergo metamorphosis? Here answer will be the earthworm. Metamorphosis refers to transformation of larva into adult. Animals that perform metamorphosis are said to have indirect development. In earthworm, development is direct, which means no larval stage and hence no metamorphosis. Okay, next question is which of the following organisms are known as chief producers in the ocean? Answer will be the diatoms. Next question is which one of the following population interaction is widely used in medical science for the production of antibiotics? Answer will be the amensalism. Antibiotics are chemically secreted by one microbial group, penicillium, which harm other microbes, that is Staphylococcus. It has no effect on penicillium or the organism which produces. So answer will be the amensalism. Next question is all of the following are included in ex situ conservation except sacred groups. Answer will be the sacred group. Sacred groups in situ conservation represent pristine forest patch as protected by tribal group. Okay, here match the column 1 with column 2. All are here already matched. Eutrophication means nutrient enrichment, sanitary landfill, waste disposal, snow blindness, UV radiation. This is also asked so many times. Zoom cultivation means deforestation. Okay. Next question is in a growing population of a country, answer with the pre-reproductive individuals are more than the reproductive individual. यानी कि जहाँ जनसंख्या बढ़ रहा है उस कंट्री का कंडीशन यही होगा कि pre-reproductive individuals are more than the reproductive individuals. Okay, next question is, which part of the poppy plants is used to obtain the drug smack? Smack, आंसर विल बी द लेटेक्स, मीन्स स्मैक पॉपी प्लांट्स के लेटेक्स से बनता है, और स्मैक को ही हम शुगर और ब्राउन शुगर और हीरोइन बोलते हैं. ओके, द स्मैक ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ब्राउन शुगर and or heroin is formed by the acetylation of morphine. It is obtained from the latex of unripe capsule of poppy plant. Next question is, all of the following are part of an operand except, answer will be the enhancer. Enhancer sequences are present in eukaryote, जबकि operand concept is for prokaryote. Next question, a woman has an X-linked condition on one of her X chromosome. This chromosome can be inherited by both son and daughters. Because this is on X chromosome, that's why it will be transmitted or inherited to the both sons and daughter. Because woman is a carrier, the both son and daughter inherit X chromosome. Okay, next question is, according to Hugo de Vries, the mechanism of evolution is saltation or saltatory. As per mutation theory given by Hugo de Vries, the evolution is discontinuous phenomenon or saltatory phenomenon, means saltation. Okay. Next question is, here the nucleotides is a sequence from the coding strand of a gene. What will the corresponding sequence of the transcribed messenger RNA? In messenger RNA, thymine is replaced by uracil. The answer will be third. All thymine will replaced by uracil. Okay. Next question, match the column 1 with 2. Here proliferative phase, it is related to follicular phase, secretory phase related to luteal phase, and menstruation, breakdown of endometrial lining. During proliferative phase, the follicles start developing, hence called follicular phase. Secretory phase is also called as luteal phase, mainly controlled by the progesterone secreted by corpus luteum, and estrogen further thickens the endometrium maintained by progesterone. And menstruation occurs due to the decline in progesterone level and involve breakdown of overgrown endometrial lining. Okay. Next question is the match the column. Here all are already matched. यहाँ सबको हमने मिला के रखा है. ग्लाइकोसूरिया क्या होता है? ग्लाइकोसूरिया में प्रेजेंस ऑफ ग्लूकोज इन यूरिन, मूत्र में शुगर ग्लूकोज मिलता है. गाउट इन द गाउट एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ यूरिक एसिड इन जॉइंट्स में, घुटनों में, बेसिकली घुटनों में आज के टाइम में यही हो रहा है, सबके घुटनों का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो यूरिक एसिड जमा हो रहा है. रीनल कैलिकुली, इसका मास ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइज्ड साल्ट थिक विद इन द किडनी, यानी कि किडनी में स्टोन्स बन जाते हैं, उसी को रीनल कैलिकुली बोलते हैं. ग्लोमेरुलर नेफ्राइटिस, इन्फ्लामेशन इन glomeruli. Okay, next question will be match the column 1 with column 2. Here also it is related to nephron. Ultrafiltration means Malpighian corpuscles. Concentration of urine takes place in loop of Henle, and transport of urine takes place by ureter, and the storage of urine taken by urinary bladder. Okay, next question is, which of the following cells indirectly help in erythropoiesis? Here the spelling is wrong. Erythropoiesis, Poiesis. Okay, answer will be the parietal cells. Parietals or auxantic cells is source of hydrochloric acid and intrinsic factor. HCl convert iron present in diet from ferric to ferrous form so that it can be absorbed easily and used during erythropoiesis. Intrinsic factor is essential for absorption of vitamin B12, and it is deficiency caused pernicious anemia. Okay. Next question is, match the column 1 with 2. Here all are correct. Fibrinogen related to blood clotting, globulin related to defense mechanism, and albumin related to osmotic balance. Here fibrinogen form fibrin strands during coagulation. These strands form a network and the meshes of which are occupied by blood cells. This structure finally form a clot. Okay. Antibodies are derived from gamma globulin fraction of plasma protein, which means globulin are involved in defense mechanism. Albumin is plasma protein mainly responsible for osmotic balance. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is the occupational respiratory disorder? Answer will be the silicosis. The silicosis is due to the excess inhalation of silica dust in the worker involved in grinding or stone breaking industries. यानी कि जहाँ भी सीमेंट उद्योग हो, स्टोन्स का काम हो रहा है, वहाँ पे लोगों को सिलिकोसिस होते हैं. Long exposure can rise to inflammation leading to fibrosis and thus cause serious lung damage. Anthrax is a serious infectious disease caused by Bacillus anthracis. It is commonly affects domestic and wild animals. Emphysema is a chronic disorder in which alveolar valves are damaged, due to which respiratory surface is decreased. Next, botulism is a form of food poisoning caused by Clostridium botulinum. ओके, ये सब क्वेश्चन और अलग अलग तरह से पूछे जा सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, calcium is important in skeletal muscles contraction because it answer will the binds to troponin to remove and masking of active sites on actin for myosin. Okay. Next question, needles body are mainly composed of free ribosomes and rough endoplasmic reticulum. ये needles body means needles granules are present in cytone and even extended into the dendrite but absent in axon and rest of the neuron. मतलब ये न्यूरॉन में पाए जाते हैं. needles granules are in effect composed of free ribosomes and rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is responsible for protein synthesis. यह प्रोटीन से सिंथेसिस के लिए रेस्पॉन्सिबल होता है. ओके. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Here answer will be the Oxidative phosphorylation takes place in outer mitochondrial membrane. This is incorrect and all other are correct. Okay. Next question is select the incorrect match. Here we have made all correct. Means submetacentric chromosome is L-shaped. Question will be asked what is submetacentric chromosome? Allosome also called sex chromosome. This will also ask what is allosome. Lamb-Bruce chromosome. It is in salivary gland of insect of order Diptera. Polytene chromosomes is related to oocytes of amphibians. Okay. Here 4 is incorrect. Okay, polytene chromosomes oocyte of amphibians. This is the incorrect and all other are Lamb-Bruce chromosome डिप्लोटीन बाईवैलेंट ये बाईवैलेंट होता है लैम्ब्रूस क्रोमोसोम ओके इट मे बी रेक्टिफाइड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following terms describe human dentition means human dentition किस तरह का होता है आंसर थिकोडोंट डाइफियोडोंट एंड हेट्रोडोंट ओके ह्यूमन बीइंग में 3 टाइप्स ऑफ टीथ होता है नेचर थिकोडोंट डाइफियोडोंट एंड हेट्रोडोंट्स okay thecodont teeth are present in the socket of the jawbone called alveoli. Diphyodont teeth removed twice. Temporary milk or deciduous teeth are replaced by the set of permanent adult teeth. Heterodont definition. Heterodonts means different type of teeth means incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Next question will be next question is which of the following event does not occur in rough endoplasmic reticulum means answer will be the phospholipid synthesis and all other take place in rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, next question is the many ribosomes may associate with a single messenger RNA to form multiple copies of a polypeptide simultaneously. Such as strings of ribosome are termed as polysomes. Okay. Next question is in which disease does mosquito transmitted pathogen cause chronic inflammation of lymphatic vessels? Answer will be the elephantiasis. Means elephantiasis is caused by the round worm Useria bronchioli and it is transmitted by Culex mosquito. Okay, next question is which of the following is not an autoimmune disease? Answer will be the Alzheimer disease. Means rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder in which antibodies are produced against the synovial membrane and cartilage. Vitiligo Vitiligo causes white patches on skin, also characterized as a autoimmune disorder. And psoriasis is a skin disease that causes itchy or sore patches of thick and red skin and is also autoimmune, whereas Alzheimer disease is due to deficiency of neurotransmitters acetylcholine. Okay, next question is, among the following sets of examples of divergent evolution, select the incorrect option. Answer will be the eye of octopus and bat and man. Here all other are means example brain of bat, man and cheetah. All these are divergent evolution. Heart of bat, man and cheetah all are mammal. So this is the divergent evolution. Next, conversion of milk to curd improves its nutritional value by increasing the amount of दूध से दही बनाते हैं तो उसमें क्या फर्क हो जाता है उसमें उसमें विटामिन B12 की मात्रा बन जाता है ज़्यादा ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द सिमिलरिटी ऑफ बोन स्ट्रक्चर इन द forelimb of many vertebrate is example of homology. Bones of forelimb are similar but their forelimbs are adapted in different way as per their adaptation. Hence, this is the example of homology. Next question, which of the following characteristics represent inheritance of blood group in human? Hence, here 1, 2, 3 will be the answer, means dominance. Dominance of blood group A or blood group B is dominant recessive relationship. Codominance, blood group AB, and different type of alleles means allele B, and allele O. Okay, all these questions are very important. One questions in this is disputed. It will be clarified later on. Okay, thank you. Take care and continue revising till your examination.